Look at all these gorgeous designs. These are from Anita Goodesign and it's a China blue quilt. But what if you don't want to do quilting? What can you do with these? Watch this video and I'm going to show you how. Before we get started, if you're new to this channel and you want to learn more about embroidery, click subscribe and start learning now. Don't forget to like and share any of the videos. So, okay, this is Anita Goodesign from May 2019, so this month's. And if you don't feel like doing a quilt square, but you love the designs like I do, then I'm going to show you something really cool and it's going to look gorgeous. So I'm going to pick this size, double click on it, grade A or B. Yes, I know. It is a stitch file. And what Hatch is telling me is you don't want to resize it because you might get into trouble resizing it. Don't worry, Hatch. I'm not going to resize it. It's Hatch 2.0, by the way, Hatch Embroidery version 2, or Hatch 2.0 as I like to call it. So here's the design. Now, I am not going to be changing any of the design, changing the size, changing anything on it. It is a stitch file and it must stay the same. But I am going to be making some changes. Now, this is going to look amazing. So I'm just selecting parts and I'm deleting them. And, you know, be very careful doing it. It's pretty easy, though. You just got to make sure you don't catch parts that you don't want and hit the delete key. For this one, I found this is the easiest way to do it because it's all mixed in. I'll show you in a sec a couple of ways of doing it. Oh, I missed the blue on that one. There we go. Now you can go here to colors and you can pull out the colors. That might be a little difficult on this one because you can see everything's kind of mixed in a little bit and we don't want to delete parts that we need. So after you delete the parts that you don't want, I am just going to make things easier by selecting these little cute little biddly bits on the side here and grouping them so I don't, you know, pull them apart and make a mess of everything and leave little circles behind. So this is how we're doing this. I'm so excited. And then I can move everything. Now the last one to do is the centerpiece, and I absolutely love this design. And you know, making a quilt square is fantastic. I just see the designs differently. I really love them and I think they're gorgeous. And I am going to make this into a shirt design. And this is going to be a very special shirt because this is the shirt that I'm going to be wearing to the Anita Goodesign garage sale that starts on May 9th and 10th. And I'm going to be in Charlotte to see it. So I wanted to create something amazing and this is what we're going to do. So remember, I haven't changed everything and you may think, okay, that really doesn't look like anything, Sue, but don't worry, it will. Don't worry, it will. I am going to show you right now how it's going to look. So I'm going to take one and I'm going to right click and slide it down. So now I have two and watch the magic happen. I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to put it right about there. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so I can see. I think I made it a little bit too close. You know, not bad though. Just we want it down a little bit so it's about even. And look at that. How gorgeous is that design? Now, I was thinking these little parts can go on, you know, the collar. But I also thought, you know, you could put them up here and the design that I want it to kind of flow down from one shoulder and around. So I might want a little bit of an angle on it. But I just wanted to show you guys how totally easy it is to, you know, kind of make your own designs. I love this China blue. I just think they're stunning. So isn't that cute? Or, you know, we can put them right here. I played around with it. So yeah, play with your designs for sure. You'll be surprised what you can come up with. Play with your designs. Look, I put that one right there. Doesn't that look amazing? I'm so happy with that. Let's move this one over. Move. There we go. So what I did is I just played around with it and I came up with this magnificent design. Now, wouldn't that be amazing on a shirt? Well, yeah, I think so too. Where can that one go? Right on the opposite side, maybe? Now, I've taken all of the designs that I had and put them into something new. Now, if you want to, try some different things, there's a lot of things you can do with these designs. Let's move these little guys out. Actually, we could work with these little guys. Let me show you what we can do. So let's copy and let's go to new. And then we're going to paste. There are keyboard shortcuts for it, but there we go. All right, and it still comes in grouped and it's still fine. And we can now use some of the amazing Hatch tools to create something even more amazing. So let's go to, let's see, create layouts is the most fun you can have in Hatch. So let's start with copy array. Now, this is amazing. So you can change it around. That looks cool for a little block. How about copy reflect? I think that one will work better. Isn't that cool? Everything is set up. Let's move it close together. If you move it so they touch, they will merge. So that's just touching. There we go. Now we've got a whole new design. Isn't that amazing? I think that looks absolutely incredible. And you can do a color sort at the end. You can't change anything else on it, but these are relatively simple designs. Now, wouldn't that be cute with maybe a little buttonhole in it? Let's try something else. So we've got our one guy here. How about we move him straight up and down and about like that. Is that crooked? That's crooked. My head is crooked today. There we go. Now that's straight. Have it selected. And copy array, copy reflect. Well, a circle. Yep. That is gonna... I love playing with this circle repeat. You can change it so much. We could add some more to it. Do you think we should add some more to it? I think actually I have it right here how I want it. Now look at that design. That is even better. I love it. It looks like a big flower. I might do that on the sleeve because that's so pretty. I'll keep that in mind. Control Z and let's change the angle of it again. And this time when we do circle layout, we are going to add more to it. So columns, there we go. Circle, we're going to add... How about we make it bigger? How about 9 of them and really change it up? Now, when you move it down, they all change their angles. Even in a circle, you can tell that's going to look good. Let's try angles. Just kind of move it all around. You know what? That one's really pretty because they all shift around with the circle. But you can see how easy it is to just take an element or two and make something spectacular. Do I like that one? Yeah, I like that one. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that amazing? I'm really happy with that. I think that would be really nice with another little Anita Goodesign design in the middle of it. There are different sizes for each one. I am going to delete those. They're different sizes, so make sure it's not too big. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that one too, and we're only left with one, the one that I want to work with. And what I'm going to do is print out a couple of templates, and then I can audition it on the shirt. I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep exactly what I did, but I just want to make sure that it's good. Right here, I am going to insert a graphic marker, and right here, because I have my snowman, and it puts the snowman marker right in the middle. So when I print it out, I am going to have the exact positioning of it, and I'm going to be able to, addition it and move it around, put my snowman, do the next one. So you need at least 2 templates so you don't overlap everything. And I'm going to be using my snowman stickers to make this incredible shirt. So stay tuned. The next video is going to show you how I put everything together and stitch the shirt. It's going to be really good. This shirt is going to be gorgeous. So thanks everyone for watching. I hopefully will see you in Charlotte, North Carolina for the Anita Goodesign garage sale. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.